try. So, let me just put the shadow card. It's just like this on the
That's all.
Yeah.
Well, so the batteries in this car has corroded, and it was causing the car not to work. So we're trying to clean the battery connections to see if that's going to do anything. I don't know if it will, but it's worth a shot trying. So ideally you would use isopropyl alcohol. I didn't have any. If you don't have any alcohol, then you can try white vinegar. Well, I didn't have any white vinegar. If you don't have any white vinegar, then you can try some lemon juice. I had lemon juice, so that's what I'm using. And so I just let these connectors soak in the lemon juice for a few minutes. And then the connectors I couldn't get out of the car, I just took a Q-tip, soaked in lemon juice, and kind of rubbed it on there. And so now I'm just drying these. And it's also helpful if you put some petroleum jelly on the connectors. That helps the conductivity. And it also prevents future corrosion from happening. So we'll get these dried and put it back in and see how it works.
So now we're getting ready to put the screws back in and see if it works.
All right, do we have our batteries?
Oh,
Why would we only have 3 batteries?
I don't know. Try these. Is these charged?
I don't know about this one. It looks like it's broken. See how it's cracked right there? What do I mean?
Here.
Oh. 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 Okay, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, I put the batteries in. I want to turn it on, and hopefully these lights will be flashing. Are you recording it?
Yes.
Okay, so we put the batteries in. Now we're going to turn the on button, and hopefully these lights are going to flash.
Yes!
It worked. All right, so we're going to put the cover back on. We'll be ready to roll.
That was us fixing a shadow car. Hope you see us next time in our next video. Bye.